All right, so here we're given a function g, and it's defined as g of x equals x times x minus 2 times x plus 6 squared. We know the value of g of 7 minus w is 0, where w is a constant. We want to find the sum of all possible values of w. So that's a lot of info, so let's break this down. This might be overwhelming, but I promise you it's not too bad. So we're given g of x, and we're given that g of 7 minus w is 0. So what I would do is I would find where g of x equals 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to take g of x and set it equal to 0. And then that way we can find 7 minus w in a second. But let me show you how to find this if you don't know how to already. So whenever you're given an equation like this and it's set equal to 0, you want to look at all these different terms. Basically, this is in factored form, so you have a bunch of things multiplying each other. And what you're going to want to do is set each one equal to 0. The logic behind this is that if one of these factors is equal to 0, then the whole thing will equal 0, because 0 times a million numbers is 0. So when we do that, we'll get that x is 0, 2, and negative 6. So let me just fill that in real quick. So yeah, we know that. And then now basically we want to find where g of 7 minus w is going to be equal to 0. So we know that at x equals 0, at x equals 2, and at x equals negative 6, that g of 7 minus w is 0, right? So basically, we just have to plug in, we just have to set the 7 minus w equal to all of these x values. So when we do that, we'll get 7 minus w is equal to 0. So w equals 7. And then we'll get, what's the next one here? 7 minus w equals 2. W is 5. And then same thing here. 7 minus w equals negative 6. So then w is going to equal 13. And then would you look at that? We have all the values of w that we need. 7, 5, and 13. And then now we can just sum those up. So the answer, I'll just write that over here, A and S, answer is going to be equal to 7 plus 5 plus 13, which is going to equal 25. So let me put a nice little box around that. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If not, I hope this helped, and be sure to check out some of my other SAT tutorials.